Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Estate. I am now agent level 4. So, this is a big milestone for me because I know my journey, I know how I started, and I know the struggles that I have been going through in Estate to make sure that I got up to this level. But today, we are just going to celebrate this achievement because level 4 is done and dusted. It's a special level. It's not just because of the title, but because of the journey. Late night studying the model, early mornings showing up for the team, countless conversations, webinars, trainings, and events, all driven by one single belief: to make sure that ordinary people deserve access to extraordinary opportunities. Tokenized real estate is changing the game globally, and I am grateful to be part of a movement that is helping people learn, grow, and build something truly amazing. You don't go far chasing big dreams without a phenomenal team behind you. So, therefore, I am giving a massive shout out to every single person in my team who played a part in this achievement. Shout out to my incredible team for believing in the system, even while we are still learning the space. Level 4 is not the finish line, it is just another step forward. Now it is time to help even more people win. So let's go out there and share the good news to everybody watching this video, right? If you wish to begin to receive passive income from the purchase of a fractional real estate, now is the best time for you to get involved. Don't sit on the sidelines anymore because Mr. Brandon Stevenson has created this opportunity for us to grow and prosper and financially change our lives. So today, as I said, is just to celebrate. Tomorrow, I will give you an idea of what I am going to benefit as a level 4 agent, right? They have up to level 20. So this is just the beginning of many steps ahead. So guys, let's get started. If you are still sitting on the fence, you have not become an agent. I have been approaching people already. Okay, the people I know that they are capable of becoming an agent. I have approached some of you. So if you are interested in becoming an agent, please get in touch with me because this is growth. This is the journey that you need in your life. This is going to change everything that you know about estate. So thank you once more to all my team members because I couldn't have achieved this without your effort. So this is a team effort actually, right? So I am grateful for you guys for making sure that we are all together in focus and then continue to generate the income and the wealth that we needed most. Thank you guys and God bless.